Public health officials are stressing the importance of following the renewed mask mandate to avoid a surge in hospitalizations, but the Centro Regional Medical Center says that's already happening. A special meeting took place with the Centro City Council Monday, where the Imperial County Public Health Department announced there are 1,364 active cases of COVID-19. Unfortunately, local health experts say this is only the beginning.
We are expecting several hundred cases, positive cases to be reported, and several deaths.
Hospitals like Centro Regional Medical Center are seeing more and more hospitalizations as the new year proceeds. At one point, ECRMC says it had the most hospitalizations in the country based on population.
When you take a look at total population, we were actually showing up on the top one spot in the country.
The Public Health Department says it's doing all it can to enforce the new health order, but El Centro's mayor, Tomas Oliva, says it's not being enforced properly by some businesses, sharing an experience of his own at one local store.
And I was informed that their corporate office had specifically directed them that they are not allowed to force someone to wear a mask, and they're also not allowed to ask them to leave.
The El Centro Police Department says it will leave it up to each officer to decide whether or not they want to issue citations for locals not following the state health order. Now, although cases are going up, we are being shown data that COVID-19 isn't hitting as hard as it did last year, and public health officials attribute that to the success of the vaccines being administered, which, by the way, Imperial County right now has 83% of eligible residents fully vaccinated. I'm Wiley Jawhary reporting from El Centro.